Absolute value inequalities are tricky because they are piecewise. Here, the inequality looks simple, but equality requires careful analysis. Pause the video and try this for 3 minutes. We are given s equals y, x, y, c, plus y, x, x, plus z, y, x, y, z, y, x, y, z, y, x, y, plus y, y, z, then m, x. Absolute values allow WLOG reduction to piecewise linear inequalities. Order by value of x, y, z, let's assume x, y, y, z. Then absolute differences simplify. X minus y, x minus y, x minus mid z, y minus z, y made z. Check carefully. X plus plus 2. M max x, since xing 0 or negative values, we get 2, 0, 2. XM true, inequality holds. For all other orderings, symmetry ensures same bound. Equality holds when 2, 2, x, z my x, well, ug. Middle value y is anywhere between x and z. So equality YISMM also works for any permutation of signs. Absolute value inequalities appear simple, but the devil is in the details. Always test extreme cases first. Problem number 8 will be functional equation plus inequality extremely hard. Subscribe for daily elite problem solving.